Can I recover losses if the vehicle I used for both work and housing was totaled in an accident? Yes. You may be able to recover several kinds of losses, but each one has to be tied to the crash, allowed under North Carolina law, and supported with proof. The claim may include the fair market value of the totaled vehicle, limited loss of use while you looked for a replacement, lost income if the vehicle was necessary for your work, medical bills, mental health treatment, and reasonable emergency expenses if losing the vehicle also took away your housing. The harder part is documentation. For work losses, keep invoices, job calendars, bank records, tax records, client messages, and proof that the vehicle was needed for the work. For housing-related losses, keep lodging receipts, storage receipts, photos showing the vehicle was used as shelter, messages about temporary housing, and receipts for essential items you had to replace. Fault also matters. If the other driver caused the crash, that supports the claim. But North Carolina uses contributory negligence, which means the insurance company may argue that your own actions helped cause the wreck. If that defense is proven, it can seriously affect your injury claim. Medical timing matters too. If you had neck pain, shock, anxiety, or other symptoms, get treatment, follow your provider's instructions, and keep records showing when the symptoms started and how they affected work and daily life. Also watch the deadline. Many North Carolina injury and property damage lawsuits must be filed within 3 years. Because this type of claim involves vehicle, income, injury, and housing losses, strong records are essential.